What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at Jaffest in Mondello Park. It's getting quite windy and it's going to be raining potentially for the day. Last time you said,
Hi,
hey
YouTube.
everybody.
Hi everybody.
Are you ready for days of drifting?
Yeah, ready to do nothing because the cars won't be so reliable all day.
It's going to be so good.
It's not even going to burn tires.
No, it's not.
That's it.
And you know what? What's even better?
I'm going to take the fire
Do
extinguisher
you know
out.
what's, no, but you know what's even better? We're in the garage that James Dean always wins from. Yeah.
That's why I look so short in here, because he has to raise the roof again. 2 foot in the air.
We should get ready for practice, shall we?
I will need recovery to the start line, please.
Two runs done. I think that's all we'll get. Had a bit of like a smoke coming out of the bonnet. So I don't know. I don't know what it was. Maybe just a bit of leftover oil or something. That
She's sweating power.
She's sweating horsepower.
Sweating power, that's all.
Sweating power, yeah. But yeah, practice kind of went okay. You know, it wasn't the cleanest of, I suppose, runs and all that. But yeah, we changed some alignment stuff in the front of it, so I was kind of figuring things out, pushing limits and all that. And I kind of knew it was going to rain, so I felt like, look, there's no point in really getting used to the car in the drive because it's going to be completely different anyway in an hour's time. So yeah, that's what we're prioritizing right now. Go for a wet qualifying run, see if we can make it happen.
So up next we have Alan Hines currently sitting in ninth position. We see Alan showing on huge angle around the first corner. Lovely line so far. Alan, one of the drivers, wants to be up the top of that bracket because he knows he can. He's a well-mentored driver. Let's see what he can do second up this one, Rob. Yeah, Alan always a big thing right there. He's always off slightly short. He wants to take it, but he is able to mix it up with the best of the best. And he is mixing it up with the best of the best here with this run.
Right, so that is qualifying finish for us. Currently P2 for the 96 at the moment. Could get better than the end, but we'll see. Hopefully no one won't. But yeah, serious run. Pretty happy with that. Best run I've ever done in the rain, I'd say, to be honest. We made a few changes to the car yesterday, and it feels way better today in the rain. So pretty confident, pretty happy. So let's fucking send it. So alrighty, I guess it's time for a bit of a voiceover. So here we are, top 32 battle versus Connor Falvey, and as you can see straight away going into clip 3 here, Connor, we have a big gap over Connor, and he's making a few mistakes behind us. He's having to catch up quite a bit, but yeah, look, we had a pretty clean lead run. We transition across the track here, and Connor is stalling up. He misses the outer clip there, he's trying to catch back up. And unfortunately the camera gets blocked here, but as you can see, Connor's far inside, and then he gives us a really hard hit at the wall clip. And yeah, look, he's on the inside of the track. He's on the better surface where there's no rubber, from the dry that is. so he has a grippier surfaces on the inside, and that's how he hits us. As you can see here from the cockpit camera, yeah, I have a few hesitations in the handbrake, and I'm clutching in when I probably shouldn't have. But as I'm about to clutch in for the last time, this is when he hits us. So, you know, it's completely his fault in my eyes. I do think I could have done a better job there in lead position, but I mean, he beelined from the wall clip to the second wall. So, a little bit disappointing to have that kind of contact. It's not where we wanted. And you can tell the car from this point has a bit of damage. I should have gotten the timeout really. I should have asked for it because my back left wheel was towed out, and you can see he's even struggling as well in the lead position here. He's over angling and struggling with the conditions, like so. Not really a great battle to start off top 32 for us, but I'm happy to take the win and move on. I mean, the other option is to add more toe into it, isn't it? So just had our top 32 battle with Conor Falvey, and the conditions are ridiculous. Like, you go, come up to the 2 wall clips, and you leave the first wall, and you go through the water, and yeah, he just fucking clattered into me, and like literally hit the front of the car so hard it actually like threw me right, like towards where clip 2 would be. So I was like, what the hell is going on? I was like, what's he doing? Then we chased him in, and you were just seeing there the rear toe arm is, or the rear knuckle, basically the rear pickup point for the toe arm on the rear, which is built into the FDF to fail. Took most of the hit, every single arm back there is mint. But yeah, the whole run basically toe out in the rear of it, so on that back corner, it's really sketchy to drive, but we got the win. But I can understand why he hit in the end, because going through that area that he hit me in, it completely washed the windscreen full of water, so geez, it's ridiculous. Okay, so third, fourth playoff with Jack Shanahan, and the first thing you're gonna notice right here is Jack just says goodbye and he leaves us in the dust. And you might have seen that as well with Conor. We had the same issue as well, massive gap on entry, and you'll even see it. Like, look at the gap, he's like 2-3 car lengths. If anything, probably Conor was further ahead by this point, but like in the Conor battle, I kind of sharpened up the chase line and kind of dropped from the outside qualifying line and kind of cut the track to catch back up, and that was my only hope at getting any bit of proximity, and then fire onto the final wall and onto the door as best as I could. I actually tapped the wall in the chase position, so I think I had a better chase run on Conor actually than Jack. But when it comes to lead position, all I got to do is my best lead run, and pretty much my best lead run all day, and obviously Jack has a gorgeous run behind, so yeah, enjoy this run.
Now look at this, another dive from Shannon. He is not letting that third step get away from him. He is pushing on it, Hines. Turn one here, one down hard. The wall, four cars on the wall. Alan Hines on a lovely lead line. But Shanahan is right there with him, not letting him go anywhere.
I think I beat you, Jack.
I don't know, we'll see.
I doubt it.
We're both in the waiting bay.
Yeah, you know what this is,
That's the waiting bay.
Yeah.
The waiting
So,
bay.
hang on, is Dwayne going to trump Conor now, is he? Oh my god. Yeah, he's gone.
He held it. As soon as he had to me, and I was like, he's surely going to go off his elbow. He's done better than us. He's done there at me, so.
See, it's because you're Jack Shannon's.
I'm doing bad here now.
When I was chasing you, I was trying to hit you because I baked Connor's door like 50 times over the last quarter, right?
So I was faster than Connor.
A little bit. But I dived onto your door, and then I was like, but you know when you dive on too early, right?
Yeah.
And then you kind of roll back, bounce the car off the wall and stuff. You're paying each other money here, is it? Yeah. Is that how it works, is it? Yeah, we got third place overall. Well, no, we got fourth today. But that fourth place means that we got third in the championship, so I'm really happy with that. We finished fourth twice this year, we had a top 8 finish, and so we're only doing 3 rounds. I'm pretty happy with that. So at the end of the day, we ended up finishing fourth overall, which meant we got third place in the championship. We were currently at the start of that day in 7th, was 18 points, and we jumped up to 3rd place of the championship just with that top 4 finish. So I can't thank the Shanahans and McKeever enough for, you know, suddenly jumping into the championship and knocking everyone out that could have gotten 3rd place and allowing me get it. So I'm very lucky about that. I'm very fortunate, but someday we will beat those guys, and I'm hoping it's very soon because I'm getting sick of getting my ass whooped by them. Next up, we're going to Oman, start of January in a few weeks' time. The car is currently on the boat from Abu Dhabi to Oman, so I'm looking forward to flying out there in a few weeks' time and driving over there. There's some pretty big names heading out over there, so it's going to be exciting to get over there, of course, and drive over there again. It's been a couple of years. And also, I want a big thank you for you guys as well for the support. If you haven't already, we have HynesZ.com if you guys want to support with the set of car staging setups. We also have memberships as well here on YouTube, which one tier will actually allow you to get your name written on the side of my pro car. So if that's something you'd like to do, make sure to check out the memberships and see if there's something that might suit you. Big thank you for everyone with the support so far. I really do appreciate it. And moving on into 2023, we'll be doing much more. And yeah, we'll announce to you guys what our plans are coming soon. And also all my sponsors: Project Academy, V2 Tire, Group D, Link ECU, Turbo Systems, 59 North Wheels, FDF Race Shop, Yugen Factory. Amazing support from me all year. Thank you so much. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens in 2023. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.